Hi everyone, welcome to the series on BFS template. So in this video, we will try to solve this problem nested list weight sum using BFS. So let's see what's the problem is. We say, okay, we are given a nested list of integer in a nested list, and each item can be either integer or list of integers. And we need to return the sum of this nested list based on depth. So let's see the example. For example, we have 1, 1, 2, 1 and 1. So this is nested inside this entire list. So this guy is at depth 1, this guy is at depth 2. Right, so for example in this case we have 1 which is at depth 1, 4 at depth 2 and 6 at depth 3. So the answer will be 1 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 6 times 3. Similarly here 1 and 1, they will be multiplied by 2, 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So the number times the depth, overall sum we need to return. So let's see how do we solve it. So we'll start first with the BFS and then we'll go to the recursive DFS, and after that we'll go to the BFS template. So let's see how do we do it. Let's get rid of this. I say okay, I need to return. Okay, let's take some space here. Cool. So what I say is, okay, I have my DFS on nested list and I give it a depth because this current list is at depth 1. So I do DFS, I have my nested list and my depth. Okay, so if my length of nested list is 0, I return answer as 0. Otherwise my total is 0, then my item in nested list dot, let's see how do we get all the items. I guess we can get it in this sequence. Okay, I say okay, if item dot is integer, if my item is integer, what I do is I add this item, total dot get, I get it. So this is get integer. If I find that okay, I have an integer here, so I just get this integer value and submit in the total. Otherwise I ask for DFS of item dot get list and pass depth plus 1 and return total. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh, and what happened? Oh, okay, I need to multiply it with depth. Okay, let's submit it. Cool, it works. Let's go to the non-recursive DFS. So let's get rid of this and then I say okay. Okay, let's take some space, and now I say okay, I have DFS on non-recursive. Okay, so what I do is I don't need depth there, so I use this nested list, and again the base case, if length of nested list is 0, I return 0. Okay, otherwise my total is 0 here and my stack contains nested list and its depth which is 1. Okay, so while I have something inside my stack, I take the cur and I take its depth which is stack.pop. Okay, and now for item in cur, if cur dot is integer, okay, then total plus is equals to cur dot get integer times depth. This is what I get. Otherwise I append something inside my stack, which is what? This item cur. Okay, no, this is like item dot integer. If item dot is integer, then item dot get integer and I push the item with depth plus 1, and now I just need to return the total. Okay, let's see which item is not iterable. For item in cur, I pop the element. Oh, I need to pass the list here. Okay, let's see. Awesome, it does. So again, let me explain. So what I'm trying to do is I'm getting each item inside my nested list, and if this item is integer, I add it with the multiplication of the depth. Otherwise I go recursive with the next level, which is okay, I was iterating, I found okay, this is a list, I put it inside my stack, 1 1 as a stack, and its depth becomes 2. This guy is 2 times 1, I add it and I push this also into the stack. Okay, and then I start popping elements. So this way I'm recursively iterating, and non-recursive is with the stack. Let's do the BFS technique. So in the BFS technique we go level by level. So what I do is I put something which is at level 1 and then at level 2, level 3, something like that. So let's write that also. So in that case what I do is I say, okay, I will return BFS on nested list. What is my BFS? Okay, I have this, and this is my nested list. Okay, if length of nested list is 0, I return 0. Otherwise I have my queue, which is collection.deq, and I put my nested list here. Okay, and my total is 0, and whatever is inside my queue, it is at depth 1. That's what I'm trying to say with depth equals to 1 here. So what I say is, while I have something inside my queue, I get total queue size. Queue size is length of queue. So what I do is, for underscore in a range of queue size, okay, what I do is I pop the current element. Cur is equals to queue dot pop left. If cur dot is integer, if it is integer, and then my total plus is equals to cur dot get integer times the depth I had. Otherwise I append cur dot get list, and now this will be at depth plus 1 level, because I will be incrementing depth with 1 while iterating in the next level. Same the BFS pattern, right? So return the total here. Okay, is integer, what is it trying to say? Okay, list has no attribute is integer. So what did I pop? I push my this here. Okay, nested list I pushed, and my total is 0 depth, and if cur I is dot get integer, I get integer and multiply it with the depth. Otherwise I'm adding this. I don't see any mistake here. Let me go through once again. I get queue size and I pop the first element, and if it is integer, no, okay, I think I need to iterate it here, right? Because it is actually a list. Okay, got it. For item in cur, yeah, so if item is integer, I add item dot get integer, otherwise item dot get list. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, let's submit it. Awesome, it does. So once again guys, what I'm trying to do is I'm starting my BFS, and in BFS I know the levels. So for example, when I push this, I know, okay, this entire thing is at level 1, and whenever there is a non-list element which is 2, I just have to multiply it with 1. So in the next iteration, these guys will be in the queue and they will have depth as 2. So this is the way we are going in, level order traversal, and this is what was desired in the BFS template. So see you guys in next video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and if you want me to solve any other problems based on BFS, check out my playlist on BFS, and you can comment down here also. I'll reply back to your comments.